गोंयांतल्यो सगळ्यो शाळा 6 जूनासावन सुरवात जातल्यो. नव्या शैक्षणिक वर्साच्या फाटभुंयेर शाळांनी सगळी तयारी पुराय केल्या. तशेंच विद्यार्थ्यांच्या येवकारा खातीर शाळा सज्ज जाल्यात. 10वीचो निकाल बेगीन जाहीर जाल्ल्यान 11वीचे प्रवेश प्रक्रिया पुराय जाली. मजगतीं मॉन्सूनाच्या आगमना कडेन लेगीत शिक्षण खात्याची नदर आसा. अशीच गरमी उरली जाल्यार ह्या विशीं पालकां कडेन चर्चा करून निर्णय घेतले अशी माहिती शिक्षण संचालक शैलेश चिंगडेन दिली.
Schools will reopen from the 6th of June, that is Saturday. And let me just remind, except 1st to 5th and 11th, बाकीचे सगळे classes एप्रिलाच्यानूच स्टार्ट जाल्ल्यो. So lot of portion has been covered as I understand. आणि आता फक्त 1st to 5th आणि 11th, for them it will be beginning from the 6th of June. बाकीच्या सगळ्या क्लासींक इट इज जस्ट कंटिन्युएशन ऑफ वॉट वॉज टॉट इन द मंथ ऑफ एप्रील. सो 11थाची एडमिशन्स सगळी जाल्ली आसा बिकॉज गोवा बोर्ड ऑफ सेकंडरी एंड हायर सेकंडरी एड्युकेशन डिक्लेअर्ड द रिजल्ट मच अर्लियर आनी सगळ्या भुरग्यांक एडमिशनां जाल्ली आसा. सपोज कोणूय जर 11थाच्या एडमिशनाक लागून इज डेस्परेट टू सीक एडमिशन, दे मे कॉन्टॅक्ट द zonal offices, North Education Zone in Mapsa, Central Zone in Panji, and South Zone in Margao. And we will make sure that all the students they get admission in higher secondary schools.
So the reopening of in June, as the monsoons have been delayed, are you taking this also into consideration?
I feel when the students are inside the classroom, especially in the month of June, it will be safer because I see the students playing outside in the sun and I don't think they are affected, and hopefully the monsoons will strike soon and we all are prepared for reopening of the school. The teachers are in place. I think the schools have geared up. And suppose chodut jar jale, if there is demand from the parents or the students, will take a call appropriately.